It's unbelievable that even though the drivers involved in the incident signaled for help, the tractor-trailer continued driving without slowing down. Cameras in Brisbane, Queensland captured a red light violation on July 1st that left 2 cars severely damaged, reminding everyone to always obey traffic signals. In Adelaide, South Australia, on February 28th, a truck lost control, veered onto the sidewalk, and tossed several objects into the street, but fortunately, no one was injured. A dash cam in a Singapore tunnel captured the moment a Hyundai Tuscany lost control and nearly collided with a red Mercedes-Benz, providing a clear lesson about speed control. Always keep your speed under control, because even a moment of carelessness can create significant risks. On November 19, security cameras captured footage of a house in Ohio being ripped open, an incident that serves as a reminder for everyone to thoroughly check the security measures in their homes. The highway in McKinney, Texas became dangerous when snow and ice covered the road, causing the pickup truck to slide uncontrollably on the icy surface. A strong gust of wind on February 25th blew roof tiles onto Clinton Street in Massachusetts, but fortunately, drivers reacted quickly to avoid danger. In Sheffield, a driver unexpectedly encountered a strange situation when a duck landed directly on his windshield, creating a moment that was both amusing and unpredictable. A small plane crashed through the treetops near the parking lot of Robertson Airport in Plainville, Connecticut, but fortunately, the pilot was safe. Malibu, California was engulfed in smoke and bright flames as the Franklin Fire raged on December 12th, while firefighters worked tirelessly to bring the blaze under control. Giant inflatable models of Santa Claus appear to be appearing in a neighborhood in Lehi, Utah. In Iceland, giant cracks appear in the streets as a reminder of the ever-present geological power of the country. Ash from the Popocatépetl volcano blanketed the streets of Puebla like a gray blanket, giving the scene a heavy and unusual feel. Porthtawan Beach in Truro was very chaotic this morning, making the coastal scenery look quite different from usual. In Hawaii, geologists are taking advantage of a rare opportunity to collect samples of molten lava and conduct further research into the power of the Kilauea volcano. In the Philippines, volcanic mud cascades down waterfalls after heavy rains, creating a unique spectacle and prompting many to reflect on climate change. Have you ever wondered what happens when fire and ice meet? If so, leave a 1 to share your thoughts. Despite these disasters, Peruvian rescue teams remain undeterred and are working diligently to clean up the polluted beach. The image of good sport, the dog smiling brightly in his Christmas sweater, brings a feeling of warmth and happiness to the viewer.
Poor baby. Saint, look at this house, y'all. Oh my.
The Dallas house was bathed in lights from top to bottom, creating such a dazzling spectacle that it made everyone think about their electricity bill.
I know they light bill gonna be high.
Footage from Arizona shows a palm plantation engulfed in flames, with massive fires illuminating the sky and leaving onlookers stunned.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
The forest fire in Athens worsened as strong winds pushed the smoke further, blanketing the sky in an eerie haze. Passengers on a United Airlines flight experienced a tense moment when the engine unexpectedly flashed in mid-flight, but fortunately, the plane made a safe emergency landing. The skies over Mazatlan, Mexico lit up at night as a hotel caught fire, and firefighters worked tirelessly to bring the blaze under control. In Hoshton, Georgia, a young boy turned taking out the trash into a fun moment by using a one-wheel electric skateboard to get around faster. Jade Wilson burst out laughing when she saw her dog excitedly chasing the rear windshield wiper of the car in front, creating a simple but hilarious moment. At Niagara Falls on St. Patrick's Day, a partial rainbow appeared over the cascading water, adding to the festive atmosphere. At the Cincinnati Zoo in Ohio, hippos demonstrate their fascinating ability to sleep underwater, creating a moment that is both magical and adorable. The sky above the Washington Monument lit up on Independence Day as fireworks created a colorful and proud, festive scene.
Nope, not that one. Nope, nope, nope.
The curious little goat explores the drawer and finds something that turns an ordinary moment into something both funny and adorable.
Oh, goodness. He's trying to reach it with his tongue. Puppy? 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 Oh my gosh.
The camera captured the moment the cat returned after nearly 3 months, missing, jumping into its owner's arms, causing an outpouring of emotion, tears, and smiles.
Come on now. He's sleeping. Where you been?
Oh my god.
A young man in Janesville, Wisconsin, narrowly escaped death when a large tree unexpectedly fell outside his home on July 9th, much to everyone's relief. Two men at Kakadu National Park learned a harsh lesson when their truck was swept into saltwater crocodile-infested waters, but they were lucky to escape unharmed.
Oh, please stay there.
The basketball hoop and its stand were unexpectedly swept onto the road, creating a strange scene, but luckily, no accidents occurred.
Old leatherback turtle. Got the crab buoy wrapped around his neck. We're going to try to save him. He's alive still. He's very tired.
A police officer carefully used a knife to free a turtle that had ropes wrapped around its neck and fins, demonstrating compassion for animals and nature.
He's good, man. Good job. Woo, he's fast. Look at him.
The sheriff's office recorded footage of lightning striking a parking lot in southwest Florida, but thankfully, no one was injured. The clever dog saved its owner from danger by luring the bear away, reminding us that sometimes our four-legged friends are the best protectors. A man in Lubbock, Texas, narrowly avoided being struck by a trampoline as a powerful thunderstorm swept across the southern plains on July 7. The trampoline blown across the field by strong winds as the storm passed shows that outdoor items need to be secured against bad weather. Luck doesn't always come in time, so when thunderstorms occur, stay away from large trees and outdoor vehicles to reduce risks. The entire group of kittens intently gazed at their reward, creating an adorable moment that was hard for viewers to look away from. Two mischievous dogs accidentally bumped into a woman while she was tidying her backyard in Oberlin, turning an ordinary moment into an unforgettable one. Sea anemones may look harmless, but their tentacles contain stinging cells used for catching prey and self-defense. Never underestimate the power of floods, and absolutely never drive through fast-flowing water. The raging flood of mud surged through like a silent force powerful enough to engulf everything in its path. Nature always knows how to display its fierce power, leaving humans in awe. After heavy rains, hillsides can become more dangerous than ever, and a sudden landslide is always capable of changing everything in an instant. From above, a drone captured the rare sight of a flock of sheep slowly crossing a road in Washington, creating a rare moment of peace. In Dinant, heavy rains turned the streets into raging torrents, sweeping away vehicles and leaving behind a haunting scene of damage. Through the dash cam inside the car, the power of the tornado in Gaylord, Michigan is clearly visible as fierce winds sweep through everything in sight. For a brief moment, the Starbucks store in Kokomo became the epicenter of the tornado as fierce winds slammed directly into the building. On the road, even a small change can create a big problem, so good observation is always the foundation of safe driving. Nature always finds a way to capture human attention when its power manifests itself in just a fleeting moment. A massive dust storm swept across central California, obscuring visibility, covering streets, and leaving thousands of people in disarray. This moment was truly breathtaking and captivating, making it hard for viewers to look away. The incident at Toronto Pearson Airport demonstrates that thorough training and a proper response are always crucial factors in the aviation industry.
You can't make this shit up.
United Airlines passengers had to evacuate after an engine incident, creating an unforgettable experience. But thankfully, everyone was safe.
Because the tire blew as we took off. This is a United flight.
Strong winds and hailstorms swept across many areas of Colorado, quickly turning the weather dangerous and unpredictable. This sight was truly unbelievable and made viewers stop to look more closely. The blue and purple swallows constantly fly back and forth to care for their hungry chicks, creating a vibrant and heartwarming family scene in nature. The dense swarm of jellyfish covering the sea surface near Haifa Bay creates a very impressive sight, but also reminds people to be careful when coming into contact with them. This moment shows that nature always finds a way to overcome the limitations set by humans. Large blocks of ice unexpectedly appeared in a self-service car wash in Lakeway, Texas on December 24th, creating an unbelievable sight in the middle of winter.
Yes! Come on, lads, let's go! Look at everyone.
An idea to make a giant snow globe drew everyone in and turned a winter day into a joyful moment filled with laughter.
Hey! There's one more picture! Ah! 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 Yeah!
A woman in Kentucky discovered a small egg inside a larger egg laid by a hen, a rare phenomenon in the animal world.
Just a regular egg.
Oh my goodness!
Oh my god. That was
So
The truncated squid in Port Phillip Bay, Victoria, demonstrates that even tiny creatures have ways of protecting their own space. A dense cluster of spider crabs gathered near Blairgowrie Pier in Victoria, Australia, on January 22nd, creating a spectacle that made it difficult for viewers to distinguish one from another. Spiders, forming a 300-meter-long web on the Greek coast, transform the landscape into a mysterious and unusual sight. In Arkansas, Kansas, a massive tornado ripped roofs into the air, creating a breathtaking spectacle. A python appearing on a roof turned every homeowner's worry into a tense and unforgettable moment. A great white shark stranded on Pleasant Point Beach in Santa Cruz, California, has surprised many tourists with this unexpected situation. The mullet fish along the North Carolina coast put on a vibrant display resembling surfing waves in their natural habitat. Humpback whales in Norway have demonstrated the incredible power of teamwork through a display of coordinated action that has amazed everyone who witnessed it. In Austin, Texas, on June 12th, a pickup truck driver was noticed by police for a traffic violation, quickly becoming the focus of attention on the road.